Hey Flugos, this is your second block hands-on Fluvanna project. So we are going to be making things to send to the USO and Westminster Nursing Home.
Students can either write a letter, draw a picture, or do other types of crafts.
All letters must be school appropriate and SGA will be checking before sending them out. Please refrain from using any of these following topics.
We request that you separate the letters by their intended recipient.
Thanks for listening and have fun. Go Flugos! That's gonna be the end of it.